The video aspect ratio indicates a video's orientation by providing the width-to-height ratio in pixels. The numbers in the ratio are not always accurate representations of the height and width in pixels. It is simply the ratio of width to height. When it comes to video aspect ratios, there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. The aspect ratio of a video is typically chosen based on where it will be posted, how it will be viewed, and what purpose it will serve. Movies or trailers shown in theaters will differ from videos used for social media. In this video, we will explore different aspect ratios used in videos. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. 16:9 aspect ratio. Since the 16:9 aspect ratio is now widely accepted as the standard format for television, movies, and the majority of online streaming setups and platforms, you're probably using it for the majority of your video creation and streaming. Most video capture devices, both professional grade and consumer grade, have a 16:9 aspect ratio as their default setting. The most typical size for video players is also this one. Screens of this size offer a higher resolution than those with 16:10 aspect ratios, which were once thought to be the industry standard. Number 2. 1:1 aspect ratio. The 1:1 video aspect ratio was developed for square televisions and is a perfect square. The 1:1 aspect ratio is much less common in modern society. It's most likely to be found on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. Even though it's not the most popular, many cameras still have a square setting. Number 3. 4:3 aspect ratio. The 4:3 aspect ratio was the norm for conventional television and computer monitors before 16:10 and 16:9. The introduction of HDTV was the impetus for the change. Aspect ratios of 16:10 and 16:9 support higher resolutions than 4:3. Up until the introduction of the 2018 iPad Pro, Apple continued to use this aspect ratio for its iPad models. It is becoming less popular to use the 4:3 aspect ratio. Number 4. 3:2 aspect ratio. Earlier, traditional 35mm still photography employed the 3:2 aspect ratio. On some laptops, tablets, and portable game consoles, it is still in use. Although many small to medium-sized cameras still have the 3:2 aspect ratio settings, broadcasters today hardly ever use them. Number 5. 21:9 aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of 21:9 serves a very specific function. It is frequently referred to as cinematic widescreen or ultrawide screen. It is applied to movies in anamorphic formats. Videos in the anamorphic format are used to produce an optical illusion that gives the appearance of a 360-degree view. Videos with this aspect ratio are probably available in specialized theaters, museums, theme parks, and other places. Number 6. 9:16 aspect ratio. A 9:16 aspect ratio is used for tall videos. This aspect ratio became popular when smartphones were created with video capabilities. For example, the optimal measure for an Instagram story is 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels, which means its ratio is 9:16. The same goes for other popular apps that have story features, including Facebook and Snapchat. This makes sense because the iPhone camera's video setting can record footage in both 9:16 and 16:9 aspect ratios. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.